If you want to improvise your diagrams, then you are on the right platform of Diagram Dazzles. In today's session, let us probe more on the female reproductive system of the frog. In the previous session, you have learned about the male reproductive system. So here we have the diagram to detail on. So as you can see here, in this diagram, you are going to represent the kidney, adrenal gland, the ureter, and also the urinary bladder, which are the parts of the excretory system. And further, here you will also study about the primary sex organ, that is the ovary, which produces the ova, which is in fact picked up by the oviducal funnel that continues as a oviduct which carries it to the ovisac. The ova is collected in the ovisac and finally discharged to the outside via the cloacal aperture. So these are the important components of the female reproductive system. To begin with the tricks of drawing this diagram, remember the outline is similar to that of the male reproductive system which we have drawn earlier. It comprises of the three spindles which is connected. Develop associations, that is with the human excretory system. And finally also do all the detailing with the labels, especially of the sex organs on the right hand side. When you start drawing, start with the outline, that is the three spindles. The first two spindles representing the kidney and the third one representing the cloaca. We had done it earlier, and then once this is done, you will have to modify and then develop a basic layout as it is indicated. Refer the previous video for more details as to how to develop on it. Then on the kidneys, draw the ovaries, which are looped structures. So you will have to show it undulated outline as it is indicated. Then within this ovaries, now draw the ova. The ova has to be drawn very tiny and circular. There are virtually thousands of ova which is produced inside the ovary during the breeding season. So fill up the entire ovary with the ova. Likewise, similarly, now come to the right side of the kidney, and then here you also represent the another ovary. A pair of ovaries are present, one each on each kidney. Next, develop on the oviduct. Start with the oviducal funnel, which is funnel shaped structure. Draw it on the top of the kidney, and from there draw looped lines which indicate the oviduct. Okay, so this has to be drawn as a double line structure, as you can see in the diagram. Similarly, draw another oviducal funnel with the oviduct on the left side kidney. Both of this oviducts will open into the cloaca via the ovisac. So here you will have to draw slightly dilated end of the duct. So this represents the ovisac. The ovisac will store the ova collected by the oviducal funnel for some time and then release into the cloaca during the breeding season. So this is a basic outline, and then develop the modified parts in it. For enhancement, you can also show the adrenal glands. Next, we go ahead with the labelings. First, label the fat bodies, followed by the kidney, the adrenal gland which runs longitudinally, then the ureter. Importantly, it is the ureter, and then the rectum, then the urinary bladder. On the left side, label the sex organ, that is the ovary, with the ova inside, the oviducal funnel, and then the ovisac. Yes. Finally, also label the cloaca and the cloacal aperture. So it was an easy diagram to draw. Do try it, and you like drawing it. Thank you for watching.